What's up, Brett Tilt? Gotta be playing this machine too, I can grab. I want to go after the Mayhem right there in the middle. All this white and whatever. This stripe thing is right there, so that should have it. Yeah.
Go for that banana.
I do want that banana.
I'm a banana.
I'm a banana.
That'll be Brendan.
Slurp so it's flat.
Stabbed it. I'll go one more time for it. These guys are impossible.
Are those like the new formations?
Maybe.
That's like...
Yeah,
No,
screw me. Try this one. Not this one, this one. Go for that 250.
Yo, never gonna play this. Sorry.
It's okay, Shane. Ooh, that may have screwed me. I didn't go.
250?
Yeah, but I may have gotten the other thing. It's not fall.
Logic.
Yeah, I can get the 250, no problem.
What? Somehow. Go for the regular one?
Yeah, in the back. That should happen. What? Okay, I want to try this one more time.
Claw machines making sense today. All of that stuff.
Hey, look, a penny.
That should have it, but it won't. Oh, wow, it does have that. Done.
Boom, shakalaka. Try for... No, that won't reach, will it? Well, go for that one all the purple.
I could get the one in the corner. Yeah, I know. Oh, is it just that smell like soy sauce, man? What?
I'll make it disappear.
Why?
Because it's disappearing.
And it's just lemon juice.
Oh, that might have that one in the corner.
Kinda hair.
Okay, I'm gonna be going after that minion right there. The yellow one. I should have it. Perfect. Yeah. I gotta go. It has to go like under it.
Alright, look at that close up.
I'll go with it, Sean. Oh, it's a one-eyed one too.
Your minimize button doesn't work very well.
Oh, I know. Perfect job.
I don't have friends.
Barely.
What's in there?
Maybe get that one in the back.
You have to go use that phone thing on one of the girls fishing. Oh, Brendan, you do it.
What?
Since you're wearing a house shirt, go to one of those girls sitting down and do that thing.
Okay, phone thing?
You have to.
No.
You have to lose your self-shame.
What?
I'm getting paid here.
He was making you.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Sean.
Jewish.
What?
You're considered rich.
What? How? What did I do this time?
Wait, what?
What?
I'm scared. I feel like I'm not back right now.
You get your appointment
Wow,
yet?
yeah, I think I'm really I just looked at my bathroom.
Yo, Nate, go for that thing.
Okay.
Oh, I punched myself in the face.
Good.
I'll go for that thing.
Oh, God, it hurt.
Maybe.
I have faith.
Come on. Got it.
Oh, snap. Snap, crackle, and pop.